So here is the part 2 nung discussion natin about the odd powers of sine and cosine. So part 2 to kasi naputol yung part 1 natin. So kung hindi pa napapanood yung part 1, kindly watch it lang sa channel natin para mas maintindihan natin kasi nandun yung discussion natin about the dito sa topic na to about the odd powers of sine and cosine. So based from our discussion na diniscuss natin last time, so once na makakita raw tayo ng ganito na odd powers, so when we say power, yung mga exponent ng sine ko. And as we can see, so dalawa yung power natin dyan. So meron tayong power sa sine at meron din tayong power sa cosine. So kung papansinin nyo, both m and n are odd. So di ba? Both m and n are odd. Wherein m natin is 3 and n natin is 5. So ganito, pag both are odd, we will choose the one with the smaller number. Okay? So yung kukunin natin is yung may smaller number, yun ang babawasan natin ng isa. So ang mangyayari, magiging natong the integral, yung sine cube, bawasan natin ng isa, magiging sine squared x. Kasi mo-multiply natin yung isa, ayan, sine x times cosine raised to 5x dx. Okay, so binawas natin yung isa dito kasi dito natin siya ilalagay. Okay? So pag multiply natin yung dalawang yan, sine cube pa rin ang kakalabasan niyan. Okay, so now, sabi doon, we will now transform this part using yung trigonometric Pythagorean identity natin of sine and cosine. So pag transform natin itong sine squared, this is equivalent to 1 minus cosine squared x. So, di ba yan ang transformation ng sine squared? Then, multiply by sine x and then cosine raised to 5x dx. So, next step, itong part na to, so pwede natin yung i-distribute dito. Okay, we will distribute it here, also dito. So, pag distribute natin, this part times 1, ito pa rin naman. This is now equal to the integral of sine x cosine raised to 5x dx kasi times 1 lang naman. Minus integral, itong part, i-multiply naman natin sa cosine squared. So what will happen? Magiging itong sine x cosine raised to 5 times cosine squared, magiging itong cosine raised to 7x dx. Okay, evaluating the integral. Ano yung u natin dito? So, ang u natin dito is cosine of x. And power is equal to 5. So, ang derivative ng cosine of x, that is equal to negative of sine x dx. So, kung napansin nyo, may sine x dx tayo dyan. Diba? May sine x dx. Kaso, wala siyang negative. So, therefore, kailangan natin mag-introduce pa rin ng negative dito sa loob para maging du siya. And to counterpart, yung in-introduce natin ng negative, kailangan maglalagay din tayo ng negative sa labas. So, same with this one, ang u natin dito is cosine x and n is 7. So, ang du na natin dyan is negative sine x dx. Okay? Kasi need pa na natin na i-derive yung x. So, next, yung substitution, sabi natin, need natin ng negative dyan. So, need natin ng negative dito sa labas ng integral para yung cosine of x raised to 5 times yung negative sine x dx natin. Okay? Lagyan natin u raised to n. Meanwhile, ito na yung magiging du natin. So, minus. So, mag-introduce tayo ng negative. The integral of sin x or rather cosine. Unahin na natin to. Raised to 7x times negative of sin x dx. Now, as you can see, dito na natin siya ilagay. So, diba ito, yung u natin raised to 5. Magigitong negative, u raised to 5, integral, integral of u raised to 5 du. So, negative times negative, pa-plus na siya. The integral of, ang cosine x is u raised to 7. Ang negative sin x dx, so di ba ito na yung du. So, yan na yung du natin. Du. So, pwede na tayong mag-proceed sa mag-integrate to by simply using power formula na lang. So, di ba this is negative u raised to 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1. So, plus u raised to 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 plus c. Kasi na-integrate na natin. So, therefore, this is equal to negative 1 over 6 u raised to 6 plus 1 over 8 u raised to 8 plus c. So, palitan natin yung u by cosine x. So, therefore, this is equal to negative 1/6 cosine x raised to 6 plus 1 over 8 cosine raised to 8 x plus c. So, yon ang way natin para paano mag-evaluate ng sine and cosine function. So, I hope na naintindihan kung anong ginagawa dito and then kung anong formula ang ginagamit na ipang-transform natin. Okay? So, have a good day and thank you.